Welcome back to my video. In this video we are going to see beach buggy racing 2. Okay, so before that we are going to collect some new mail and a chest. Let's collect the mail and see. Okay, 1 gem, fireworks, boost, juice. Okay, now let's collect the chest. Okay, look at this, guys. These are all my deck of power-ups. I downloaded it like the day before yesterday, so I'm going to play the stage. Guys, I already uploaded a video in beach buggy. In that video you would see what is beach buggy. If you didn't check that video out, please check it, guys. So let's play the desert. And I also showed you a shortcut in this stage. Yeah. Okay. He's trying to overtake me. Forget that. Shield. Now let's fire me up. Ha! Look at that, guys. The trick is you should know when to use your power-ups. Yeah. Oh no, I'm going to get out. So I'm taking the shortcut. I'm out. Oh no, guys. Guys, come on. That's it. I need a boost, come on. Oh man. Oh no. Come on. Nobody is going to stop me. I'm in third place, guys. Come on. Nicely done. Okay. No thanks. Yay! I'm in level 3 now. Okay. Now let's see. Now let's play this stage. The boat stage. Come on, I need to win this. Move out of my side, you idiot! Don't you know who I am? Shit, come on. third place, but it was an awesome rush. This race was like amazing. Okay, let's open a chest. Okay, we got a new power-up, donut tires. Great. So guys, this is our car. I think I need more design for the car. Look at it, it's amazing. Well, let's see if something else is fitting. Diesel color. Okay, apply. Now let's race. Come on. Stay at my side. You get the tires off my head. Ha ha. How is that? Oh, please. He wants a challenge, you're on. I can't see anything. Come on. That is not fair. Come on. Ugo is getting a fire up. Come on. Shit. Yes. Yeah, guys, I'm second place. At the last minute, it was amazing. I just got the right power up and I used it just in time. Let's upgrade. Let's try a challenge, guys. Race through an obstacle course of exploding fireworks. This looks fun. Let's play it. Okay. So how to this is the instructions. Drive one lap through an obstacle course to beat the target time. Avoid the fireworks. They explode if you touch them. Power-ups enabled. Tip. Choose power-ups for speed and protection. Alright. Oh no, guys, that's a lot of... Ooh, come on! Guys, there's a lot of power-ups. Come on! Slow and steady. No! come on. Come on. Okay, everyone. Your time. You didn't beat the chance. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, let's try it another time, guys. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe and hit the and tell in the comments whether you like this video. Bye.